Hello and welcome to this program for Designing Technology. In the last lesson, you had learned that ergonomics is the relationship between products and the people who use them. In this lesson, we are going to find out how ergonomics is used in chairs, how ergonomics affect posture, and how sizes and ergonomics work together. Chairs are of numerous designs and have evolved over time into a multitude of different styles. This photo gives us only the main styles. You will find that the history of chairs started in ancient Egypt. If we compare the ancient Egyptian chair to the minimalist one, you will see that Egyptian chairs appear to have been of great richness and splendor. They were made of ebony, ivory, and other carved wood and were covered with very expensive materials. The minimalist chair, on the other hand, has very clean, simple lines and used minimum material. Chairs can be compared in terms of materials, shape and size, as well as special features. Can you think of a chair with a special feature? Note it down and you can discuss it with your teacher. From the evolution of the chair, we have four main factors that can be identified. These are shape and form, size, materials used, and special features. We sit in various conditions and various positions, but how can we be most comfortable? What if there were no chair? How would you sit? Is the lady in the picture comfortable? Do you think that you would be comfortable if you had a reading chair like the one in this picture? I definitely would. The factors that contribute to comfort in this case are the shape and form of the chair, the size of the chair, the materials used, some which give rigidity and others which are soft and cozy. What else can we do with a chair? As you can see, chairs have various uses. Perhaps you could think of even more uses for your chairs. We can use chairs to have meals, we can use chairs to meditate, and we can also use them in other different ways. Some chairs are very specialized. The first typist chair was designed in 1841 by the American inventor Thomas Warren. It was called the centripetal spring chair or armchair. Typist chairs have evolved since, and specifically with respect to back support to enable proper posture. Modern typist chairs give us support, comfort, and mobility. Some have even been adapted so that they can be used to relax. They allow a change in posture while being seated for any length of time. Let us now have a look at different parts of a typical chair. These are the seat, the legs, a backrest, and armrests. We will now have a look at a comparison of two guest chairs. Mike is going to give us a comparison of these two guest chairs.
Hello. We're going to see how ergonomics is used in the design of a chair. So let's have a look at these chairs. They have the same function to sit, but in fact they are quite different. How? Can you see the differences? Let's have a close look. In terms of material, the first chair is made of plastic. It is made in a single piece. It is light, can be transported easily, and also can be stacked with other chairs of the same design. This is quite smart and easy to use. But is it comfortable? Let's check it out. It has a seat and a backrest. It has no armrest, but the surface is quite hard. Do you think this chair is comfortable? Now let's check the second chair. It is made of several materials. The frame is made of metal. The seat with fabric, and the arm rest is made in soft plastic. It looks very comfortable. The soft seat, the arm rest, and the stability of the chair makes it comfortable. However, it's quite heavy compared to the plastic chair. In both designs of the chair, the size is good. I can fit in easily in both chairs. Why that? Because the chair depth, the seat depth, and the seat height are the same for both chairs. So ergonomics is very much present in the design of both chairs in terms of material, comfort, ease of use, and size.
Having a look at the factors that we saw on the guest chairs, we see that material will give a degree of comfort. Comfort depends on size, seat height, seat depth, and backrest angle. Ease of use depends on weight of materials and size. Shape contributes to the general comfort and aesthetics of the chair. Let us look into the effects of back support. You must all have experienced back pain when seated sometime or another. Good posture ensures relief from back and neck pains. Looking at that in more detail, we have quite an exceptional chair illustrated here. To understand all the ways in which a chair can be ergonomic, let us have a careful look at the chair. The seat height can be adjusted for comfort. The back can be adjusted as well. Its angle of inclination can be adjusted as you see. The seat depth can be changed as well to enable a person to be perfectly at ease. Why all that stress about back support, posture, and comfort? You would be surprised to know that incorrect posture leads not only to discomfort but pain, as well as problems of eyesight and headaches. Being conscious about posture can help you maintain yourself in good health. You could perhaps check the link that is displayed to find out about simple products that enable correct posture, especially when using laptops. Does one size fit all? This picture perfectly illustrates chairs made to measure. Will the chair of the smallest child fit the next child as well? You will agree that the tallest chair will leave the feet of the smallest child dangling in the air. How then do we make a chair fit? What are the sizes that we have to consider? How do we get the right height of seat? What is the correct position of the back support? This then brings us to another very important term, anthropometrics. Anthropometrics is a field of ergonomics and deals with the body measurements of human beings. Going back to what we have seen in today's lesson, material will give a degree of comfort. Comfort depends on size. Ease of use depends on weight of materials and size. Shape contributes to the general comfort and aesthetics of any product. This takes us to the end of our lesson. In this lesson, you saw the relationship between ergonomics, chairs, and sizes. We came across a very important term, which is anthropometrics. Next lesson, we will have a careful look at what is anthropometrics. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.